Hi guys! Welcome to my blog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. For today's video, piping and wiring for the stand AC with 3-phase power supply. See you guys! This is British Standard electrical system. For any doubt and question, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And now start the wiring for the 4-core armored cable, 6 square millimeters plus 16 square millimeters earthing.
Wait.
RT नहीं बड़ी वेट पूरा खींचो गिव अर्थिंग हो गया ब्लॉक तो रहा ब्लॉक
खींचो
बेंड करो
खींचो दोनों
खींचो
ओके रोज खींचो खींचो
थोड़ा खींचो
ओके और खींचो रे आ रहा है.
And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.